Alrighty ladies, so this is going to be a continuation for Teen Hip Hop, Friday at 5 p.m. as long as you love me. So, the last thing that we learned is we did our right side, our heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. This is when he's doing that whole, long as you la, 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 he's doing that whole thing. Then when he says love me, I'm doing a double pound, pound, pound. Doing it 2 times, pound, pound. When he says love me, love me. Now, before what I had us doing was I had us doing our heel toe on the left side, heel toe, when he's doing that whole la 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 bit, and I had us doing a double pound. We're going to tweak it just a little bit. Instead of doing a double pound, after I do my left side, heel toe, remember use those shoulders. When he says love me, I'm going to take my hands cross, love me. So I'm now going to be ending with my hands out to the side like I'm pushing something away. Because the next thing we're going to do is in the music, we're going to hear sort of like a ricochet sound, like a the music makes it much better than I do. But we're going to vibrate our hands like we're trying to hold something back. Vibrate, vibrate, vibrate. And then when I do it with the music, you'll hear how it connects. So we're here, vibrate, vibrate, vibrate. Then I'm going to do a head thrash 2 times. Boom, boom. Like I'm thrashing my head side to side. So we vibrate, then I head thrash. Boom, boom. Moving on, he's going to say, I'll be your soldier. So we're going to march in place, march, march. So those are our feet. Then when I do it, I'm going to add my hand like I'm a soldier saluting. So it would be, I'll be your soldier. I'll be your soldier. I'm doing a little march. Then he's going to say, fighting every second. I'm going to do a little twist to the left, and I'm going to kind of throw these little mini punches. Pop, pop, pop. Like we're fighting something. Pop, pop, pop. So if we go from soldier, I'll be your soldier, fighting every second. So I'm punch, punch, punch to the left. Punch, 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 punch. Fighting every second. Then he's going to say, of the day. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my left hand, put it in front of me. I'm going to take my right hand and connect it at the elbow. When he says day, I'm going to raise it up like it's the sun rising. Boop. So now if I connect that, I'm going to go from soldier, I'll be your soldier, fighting every second of the day. Then he's going to say, for your dreams, girl. We're going to wrap around, for your dreams, girl. When he says girl, I'm going to flick it out. So if we go from soldier, I'll be your soldier, fighting every second of the day for your dreams, girl. So I've now flipped it out. He's going to say, I'll be your hova. I'm going to face the right and push my hands out like I'm trying to spread something away. Push it out. So when he says hova, I'll be your hova. So I'm now facing the windows with my hands out. Then he's going to say, you could be my destiny's child. So I'm here, spread it out. I'm going to take my left foot, I'm going to cross it around. I'm going to unfurl, I'll show you just the feet first, to face front. So we've done here, I'll be your hova. Then I'm going to cross, and this time, I'm going to add on the hands. I'm going to do a bit of a whirlpool as I unfurl. So we're here, I'll be your hova. You could be my destiny's child. So we want to make sure by the time he says child, we're facing the front. You could be my destiny's child. He's going to say on the screen, girl. And now that we've landed front, we're going to kind of do a little hip tick. Pop, 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 pop. So all I'm doing is I'm taking my left hand, placing it on the front of my left hip. My right hand is out to the side. I'm going to do a little hip tick. Pop, 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 pop. 2 times. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So now we are going to move on. He's going to say, so don't stress, don't cry, we don't need no wings to fly. So when he says, so don't stress, I'll do it facing you first. So when he says, so don't stress, we're going to take our hands and we're going to crisscross them on either side of our face. So he's going to go, so don't stress. So when he says the word stress, we're going to go and put our fists on either side of our head. So he's going to go, so don't stress. my whole right side, my arm and my leg out to it. So don't, then when he says the word cry, I'm going to snap it in, snap. So I lean. So I'll go from so don't stress. So don't stress, don't cry, snap it in. Then he's going to say, we don't need no wings to fly. So when he says that, he's going to say, we don't need. So I'm going to step forward on my right foot and pop up my right arm. We don't need. Then when he says wings to fly, I'm now in this position. I'm going to take my arms and kind of do a movement that is similar to the beginning of our dance when we kind of do this, worm wave with our arm. But now I'm here. I'm going to do it with both hands. We're imagining like these are our wings. So I'm going to go flap, flap, flap. So don't worry, sometimes those take a little bit of practice. So I'm here, flap, flap, flap. So that's when he's saying, we don't need no wings to fly. Then he's going to say, just take my hand. I'm going to pivot to the left, put my hand out, like I'm giving somebody it, and then I'm going to do sort of these little body rolls, forward and back, forward and back. Remember, whenever we're doing anything in hip hop, we want to make sure that our movements are nice and big so that the person at the back of the auditorium can see the step. So it's going to be just take my hand. We're going to keep doing those little body rolls. I have stepped forward with my left foot, so it's easier to do. So just take my hand, and so on and so on. And then we're going to hold right there.